The product comparison website Finder.com has released a new forecast report for the meme-based crypto asset Dogecoin. In the past, the website has published a slew of prediction reports on cryptocurrencies such as Cardano, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Thanks for watching Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a crypto Discord group where we give out calls for our favorite altcoins, and you can also win special rewards for inviting your friends to the group. Links for that are in the description. Finder's expert panelists predicted last year that Dogecoin's value would reach 39 cents per unit by the end of last year, 2021. The recent Doge forecast is significantly lower than the previous one. In fact, the panelists predict that Dogecoin will only gain 16.5% in value from its current price point by the end of 2022, reaching 16.3 cents per unit. Dogecoin is currently trading at 12 cents, which is less than the 14 cents per Doge recorded by Finder's researchers on February 2nd, 2022. The authors of the Finder's report, Tim Falk and Richard Laycock, emphasize that the future outlook for Dogecoin's value has shifted dramatically among participating panelists. Around the same time of our last survey, many people thought Doge was going to the moon and crossing the $1 mark, but our panel was fairly skeptical about the coin's ability to do so, they wrote in their report. The Finder's Dogecoin forecast continues. Since then, their long-term outlook on the coin's future has dwindled, with expectations of 32 cents by 2025 and 54 cents by 2030, down from 57 cents by 2025 and 92 cents by 2030 previously. Dogecoin's value has gone up by more than 6% over the last 7 days. Despite this, year-to-date metrics show that Dogecoin has increased by over 140% against the US dollar. Doge has a market capitalization of approximately $17 billion, ranking it as the 13th largest cryptocurrency. The meme coin's market cap represents 0.96% of the $1.9 trillion crypto economy at the time of making this video. Meanwhile, Finder's panelists had varying views on the value of Dogecoin in the future. It shouldn't be underestimated in the world of cryptocurrency, where breaking traditional methods for identifying value is a prized pastime, Finder's founder Fred Shabasta said in a statement. Shabasta predicts that Doge will reach 25 cents by the end of 2022. Investors can probably rest assured that while there will be more and others will come and go, Doge will always be the original, he added. Thomson Reuters' Joseph Rudzinski, a technologist and futurist, agrees with the founder of Finder.com. He forecasts that Dogecoin will reach 50 cents per unit by the end of 2022 and $1 by the end of 2025. It only has value because people want to believe in it, he observed. Despite a few Dogecoin believers, other Finder's poll panelists believe meme-based assets in general will become unappealing to investors in the future. According to Vanessa Harris, Permission's chief product officer, this will be the case and the value of Doge will fall. She did, however, mention that meme coin cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin are likely to survive. Doge, SHIB, and others piqued the interest of first-time cryptocurrency investors. In 2022, the luster will fade as investors seek more profitable investments due to meme coins' lack of true utility. The Dogecoins may not make the top 100, but they will always have a place in our hearts for the memes and camaraderie they inspired, Harris said in the Finder's report. Doge is currently trading around 12 cents at the time of making this video, but could it be on the verge of a new uptrend? As one might expect, opinion on the future value of Dogecoin is divided. Doge currently has a market capitalization of approximately $17 billion, making it the 13th largest crypto. This is a significant decrease from the $83 billion reached on May 5th last year, but it's still worth pausing to consider the figures. At this price, the cryptocurrency that began as a joke is more valuable than Best Buy, LG Electronics, Delta Airlines, and Tesco. Positive Dogecoin forecasts are nothing new. In the summer of 2020, a TikTok challenge encouraging the video sharing apps mostly adolescent users to learn about Doge went viral. According to one video, if they bought just $25 worth of this altcoin, their investment would be worth $10,000 once Doge reached the dollar mark. There were widespread accusations of a pump-and-dump scheme, as well as numerous warnings that inexperienced investors would be harmed. At the time of the TikTok video, a single Doge was worth 0.2 cents. And while the altcoin did begin to rise due to increased retail demand, it only managed to double in value to about 0.4 cents. Some buyers were dissatisfied after prices plummeted dramatically. A year later, those who held on to their Doge appeared to be sitting on a gold mine. The jump from 0.2 cents to 52 cents resulted in staggering gains of just under 22,000%. Someone who purchased $25 worth of the altcoin at the time and held on to it would have seen their investment grow to more than $5,600 before the May 19th crash. Even the current value of 12 cents represents a more than 5,000% increase, implying that $25 is now worth more than $1,400. On the other hand, we can see that Doge more than halved in a few months during the summer of 2021, demonstrating this coin's extreme volatility. The risk with Dogecoin predictions right now is that people will be discouraged from investing in a coin that suffered some significant losses in recent months. Analysts would struggle to accurately predict a Dogecoin price prediction for 2025 or, more long-term, a Dogecoin price prediction for 2030. Its general trading market pattern has also not helped. When an asset is propelled forward by tweets from Elon Musk and endorsements from other bigwigs, red flags should go up. Having said that, there is a small group of people on crypto Twitter who are convinced that Doge has what it takes to reach $1. This may appear to be absurd, but at the beginning of 2021, skeptics would have dismissed the idea that the altcoin had any chance of reaching its current value in 2022, let alone its value during the golden period of last April and early May. Mark Cuban, the billionaire owner of the Dallas Mavericks, is among those who believe that Dogecoin's future value will be measured in dollars rather than cents. Doge is accepted as a payment method for merchandise by his basketball team. He believes that huge gains are possible, and he stated in August of last year that Doge is the people's way to pay. So what is the most recent Dogecoin forecast for 2022? Doge is now much closer to $1 than it was at the beginning of last year. At the moment, the altcoin is worth about 12 cents and would need to increase by more than 670% to reach the dollar mark. While this appears unlikely, it's still a smaller increase than the one seen between the end of December 2020 and now. FX Street analysts believe Doge is on the verge of exploding. On-chain activity has increased, and the general consensus is that it will continue to rise in the long term. Dogecoin price has been on a wild ride over the past few weeks, wrote Jonathan Morgan, an analyst at FX Street. Doge dropped 44% to new 9-month lows after gaining more than 50% between January 11th and January 15th. However, there are strong indications that a significant reversal is imminent. But that's it for today, folks. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like. If you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson. Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson. Ain't got no place to call my